Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Moharam Ghosh, and here today with another inspirational tale for you. Today, we will talk about the first woman in space. She also happened to be the youngest woman ever in space. And she also has the record of being the only woman in space on a solo mission. Amazing? Want to know more about her? Let's start. Her name was Valentina Tereshkova. On June 16, 1963, she became the first woman in space. She was a Russian cosmonaut. She also, to date, is the youngest woman in space and the only woman in space who flew a solo mission. So she holds three records: the youngest, the first, and the only one to perform a solo mission in space. After her, the second woman in space also was a Russian, but 19 years after her, called as Svetlana Savitkoja. And 1 year after that was the third woman in space, Sally Ride. She was the first American woman in space, and she went to space in 1983. That is almost 20 years after the first woman in space, that is Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova was born on 6 March 1937 in a village on the Volga River, 270 kilometers northeast of Moscow. Her father was Vladimir, and he was a sergeant in the Russian army in a tank platoon. He died during the Finnish winter in World War II. Valentina's mother was Elena Tereshkova, who, after her husband died when Valentina was 2 years old, went on to a cotton mill and worked in a cotton milk to bring up Valentina. Valentina joined school when she was 10 years old and graduated at the age of 70, where she started working like her mother in a cotton mill. However, Valentina was also very passionate about skydiving, and at the age of 22 started skydiving. 1961, Yuri Gagarin from Russia became the first man in space. And then the head of the Russian space program heard that the Americans wanted to be the first to put a woman in space. He took it upon himself as a challenge and started training ladies for going into space. Valentina was chosen for three reasons. One, she met all the conditions which were required. Number two, she was a skydiver, and this was an additional plus point. And third, for the Russian propaganda machine, an added plus was that Valentina's father was not only a farmer who worked in the common farms, but later joined the Russian army and was a martyr who gave up his life in the Second World War in the Finnish winter. He was a sergeant in the tank platoon. Now, Valentina was put in space on the Vostok 6 mission on June 16, 1963. When she reached space, she said that It is I, seagull. Her call sign was Chaika, which means seagull in Russian. So when she reached space, she said, "It is I, seagull. Everything is fine. I see the horizon. It is a blue sky with a dark strip. How beautiful Earth is. Everything is fine." On this single flight on Vostok 6, she logged more hours than all the combined times of all the American astronauts who had been in space so far. She went around the Earth, orbited the Earth 48 times. She was in space for 2 days, 22 hours, and 50 minutes. After that, as was the procedure in those days, she ejected from the capsule 4 miles above Earth and parachuted to the ground. She was honored with the Hero of the Soviet Union and the Order of Lenin Awards. She retired from her career as a Major General in the Russian Army. Amazing, isn't it? This story about the first woman in space, Valentina Tereshkova. She holds 3 amazing records. She happens to be the first woman in space. She happens to be the youngest woman in space ever. And third, she is the only woman in space who has flown a solo mission. 3 amazing records in the name of Valentina Tereshkova. What an inspiring tale. What an inspiring lady. Friends, if you like my channel and these inspirational stories which I tell, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell so that you will get notifications of every video which I upload on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I thank once again all my subscribers who have been with me from day one. Till we meet again, good luck and all the best.